Come along with me as I show you the top 5 things to do here at Castaway Cay. Welcome to Castaway Cay, Disney's private island here in the Bahamas. Cargo handling. This is one of the stops you go to when taking a tram. You can either take the tram or drive over yourself or walk over yourself depending on how far you want to go. The trams have space to take 2 chairs. As you see, someone else got there ahead of me, but I should be able to get on there. We'll see in one moment.
Hello, everyone.
The first tram stop drops you off at these locations. One great thing about Castaway Cay, they have a lot of beach wheelchairs here. They have strollers, and they have little tykes, wagons. We had those when we were kids. There are several bars on the island if you partake in that. We got cookies to barbecue. Essentially, you have all your normal fixings, be it for like burgers, hot dogs, chicken, corn, macaroni salad, potato salad, fruit, vegetables, cookies, and all that such. So it's one stop to go to if you are hungry and you're off the ship. Close nearby is I believe it's called Groupers seating area, and so you come here basically to relax and sit down. It is shaded right now, and they're open between 11:30 and 2 p.m. They have a lot of shops here that you can go into and purchase things that you would like, be it sweatshirts, Castaway Cay shirts, and so much more. Another thing you can do a 5K here on Castaway. There is a special medallion that you would get once you do the 5K here. That's another thing that's popular that people do here. If you want, you can come to Castaway and do a 5K. I came to the Serenity Bay, and unfortunately, you really can't get to the food area. Over there, under the actual structure, there are solid floors, but getting to it, so they have a little mat here, but it ends right there, which is a shame. Another fun thing you can do here at Castaway is rent a cabana. These are private little bungalows that the cruise line, of course, would charge you for, but you have this nice, quiet, off the beaten path area. You have water access. Some of the cabanas are wheelchair accessible. As you see, the path right there goes up to the door, but the other one is a pair of steps. Renting cabanas is an option for you to do here at Castaway. One other thing that's great about here is you can explore. Currently, I'm going down the 5K path. There's a bike path and a 5K path. So I'm going to decide to go down the 5K path, as I do not recall ever going down this way before. This looks like a landing strip to me for a small plane or so to bring in cargo or whatever. So I decided to go on the nature trail and basically go down the bike path. That's something you can do. Come out here and just get away from it all. I've been going down it for approximately 15 minutes or so now, and I got to the end. This looks like a lookout area that I can't get to because of the sand. You can see how serene and quiet it is. All of the views. It's quiet, you hear nature, you don't hear music from the island, but essentially going down and exploring and hiking is another thing you can do here at Castaway. One thing you can do here at Castaway Cay is enjoy the beach. Outside of Cookie's BBQ, a little bit further down, you have beach access with a wheelchair. So essentially, there's a Mobi-Mat, I believe that they're called, and essentially, this will take you down to the water. This area right here, I don't know if you can see, but it's like textured, hard, you can drive on. So essentially you can come over this way and enjoy the beach while not necessarily going to the sand yet. I'm going to go back there in a moment, but you could come, get under the shade here, and go to the beach. So then I'm going to head back that way, grab onto the Mobi strip, and then we're going to head down. I'm going to see how far or how close I can get to the water. I should be able to get right fairly close. That looks a little bit precarious. Not sure if I want to go down that or not. But as you can see, this is all the beach right here. Serenity Bay is reserved for guests 18 and older. As you can see, another Mobi strip. I'm gonna head over there and see how far or how close to the water I can get. As I mentioned earlier, one of the things that you can do here, ooh, this is cool. Another area where people in wheelchairs can basically have a special seating area. Of course, someone has already claimed this area, but get here early enough, you can come and enjoy the views of the water. So the chair can get fairly close to the water again. I found another Mobi-Mat. So again, if you would like, you can come and basically go to the beach here at Castaway Cay, spend time in the water in a beach wheelchair or wherever. But it's entirely possible. Alrighty, I'm headed back to the ship. There it is in the background. We are going to start loading soon. My thoughts on Castaway are, it's a fun Disney island. It's great to stop by. There are lots of things to do on the island. It's not like Disney's newest island, Lookout Key at Lighthouse Point. We went there. Our review wasn't very great. Check out my video where Castaway is much more established. I think it's been set up correctly. If you decide to come here on a Disney ship, get off, enjoy, spend time, relax, because you're on vacation. And that's the most important thing to remember. And just enjoy everything. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and a thumbs up. As you guys know, we're a small channel. We're just trying to slowly grow. And so every update, every like, every comment helps us get to the broader audience. If you have any questions, just go ahead and throw it in a comment below. And until next time, stay strong, get creative, and keep exploring. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.